Okay, so here we are doing another balcony. Anchoring system is complete. You can see the anchors every 8 inches. A corner support right here with another guitar string tight cable. Another anchoring system right there in the corner. Again, guitar string tight. You can see anchors every 8 inches again. So here we are, guys. I just wanted to show you this. We just finished our pigeon netting on this balcony, and this guy, right after we were going to go talk to the customer, tried to fly in and got denied. So there's our pigeon netting, and birds cannot get through it. No thank you, pigeon.